Hi, I'm Peter from GCG. We talk a lot about tax and legal structure on this channel, but today I want to focus on something that is just as important: routine accounting. Now, done monthly, it can save hundreds of thousands of dirhams in tax and days, sometimes weeks, of paperwork and back and forth. Sometimes I'm not sure which headache is worse. I'm gonna really put this into picture. One of our clients trades precious metals, profits around 5 million dirhams per year. At first, we reviewed their books only once a quarter. Sounded fine until tax season. While we prepared their first corporate tax return, we spotted an issue. 11% of their sales were coded the wrong way. Under UAE rules that push all of their income from 0% qualifying to taxable. Here's the math. 5 million profit minus the 375,000 dirham exemption, taxed at 9%, that's 416,000 dirhams, about $110K, money that they never planned to pay. Now, we corrected the invoice, reopened the audit, and brought the bill back to zero. But it meant extra fees, late nights, and a lot of stress. If we'd been reconciling every month instead of every quarter, the area would have surfaced in 30 days. No scramble, no risk, no surprise bill. That case is why we now insist on monthly reviews for every client. It cuts off tax mistakes early, and it spares everyone the midnight hunt for a receipt, an invoice, or a contract from 3 months ago, 6 months ago, or wherever that was. Another founder called 3 weeks before filing. Peter, I haven't done any accounting this year. Congratulations. The receipt lived in WhatsApp images. His invoices were in random PDF folders. The bank lines were just a mystery to reconciliate. My team spent 4 full weeks reconstructing the whole year, chasing suppliers, matching screenshots, building an audit trail. And the client paid more in emergency fees than a full year of booking would have cost. And they nearly missed the deadline. So the lesson here is sort of very simple. Monthly saves money, no surprise tax. Monthly saves time, no 4-week rescue missions. Now, how do you do it? Let me walk you through Xero. Xero is an accounting software that I use internally and for my clients as well. And I like Xero because it automates the boring bits. First of all, you can connect the bank feed automatically and land the transactions automatically, or you can just upload your statement and review everything line by line in Xero. But you can also do this. If you upload your statement, you can set rules once: rent, salary, suppliers, auto tag, and then just confirm every week when you re-upload your bank statement, or every month if you're doing this monthly. I prefer reconciling the week because I know what happened this week, I know what transaction history happened, I know what I paid for, I know what invoices came out for whom, and how they need to be labeled. I don't do it myself, of course, my team does it, but we have a daily recon and a weekly recon that we do. For example, you can always do it on the first Monday of the month. You can do 15 minutes, run your P&L and your balance sheet, and send the PDFs to a folder called audit-ready for the month of March. Google Drive folder, P&L balance sheet in there. So the initial setup of this Xero account is about 1 hour. The ongoing time you're going to spend on it is about 30 minutes a week, maybe 45 minutes if you never used it before. But the cost avoided by using this sort of simple business hygiene of doing this on time in a disciplined manner sometimes can be more than 100,000 dirhams, and all that time lost. In my opinion, a simple plan for you to do, and what we do as well for our clients, and we recommend: block Friday, 4 p.m., 10-minute bank check. Block the first Monday for a 15-minute reconciliation. Use Xero's built-in UAE VAT codes. Save every supplier invoice as a PDF right into Xero. Accounting isn't busy work. It's the habit that keeps your cash in the business and your evenings free from panic and paperwork. So, which camp are you? Weekly, monthly, or year-end? Tell me in the comments. I read everyone, and I'm happy to point you toward the next step. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, tap the bell so you never miss a practical session. Thanks for watching. I'm Peter from GCG, and I'll see you in the next video.